To get started with copying trades on the Mexc app, begin by downloading it from the App Store. Open the App Store, navigate to the search bar, and type in Mexc to find the app, which is likely listed as Mexc. Buy and sell Bitcoin. Download and install the app. Then locate it on your device and open it. Upon opening the app, you'll see various options at the bottom, including Home, Markets, Trade, Futures, and Wallet. To copy a trade, you'll first need to log in using your login information, which can be found in the top left corner. Once logged in, navigate to the Futures section to view previous trades. If you find a trade you'd like to repeat, select the Copy Trade option to enter the Copy Trade page. Alternatively, you can also find the Copy Trade option by going to your wallet and then to Futures, which may provide a more comprehensive list of trades to copy. After accessing the Copy Trade page, you can proceed with copying your desired trade.